Welcome. In this video, we will tackle the min-cost climbing stairs problem, a classic dynamic programming challenge often found on coding interview platforms like LeetCode. Here is the scenario. You are given an array of integers representing the cost of each step on a staircase. Once you pay the cost at a specific step, you can climb either 1 or 2 steps forward. Your goal is to reach the top of the floor while spending the minimum amount of money possible. Let's clarify the rules. First, you have the flexibility to start your climb at either index 0 or index 1. Second, from any given step, you can jump to the next step or skip one step to land on the one after that. These choices are key to finding the cheapest path. To solve this efficiently, think backwards. To land on a specific step, you must have come from either step I-1 or step I-2. Since we want to minimize the total cost, we simply choose the cheaper of these 2 previous paths to reach our current position. This logic gives us our recurrence relation. The minimum cost to reach step I is the cost of step I itself, plus the minimum of the costs required to reach the 2 previous steps. This formula is the heart of our solution. Instead of using recursion, which can be slow due to repeated calculations, we will use a bottom-up approach. We start at the base of the stairs and calculate the cost for each step in order, using the values we've already computed to solve the next one. Let's walk through an example with the costs 10, 15, and 20. We initialize our dynamic programming table. The cost to reach index 0 is 0, and the cost to reach index 1 is also 0, because we are allowed to start at either of these positions for free. Now we calculate the cost to reach index 2. We can come from index 0 by paying cost 10, or from index 1 by paying cost 15. The minimum of 10 and 15 is 10. So, the cheapest way to reach step 2 is 10. Finally, to reach the top of the floor, which is beyond the last step, we look at our last 2 options. We can come from index 1 paying 15, giving a total of 15, or from index 2 paying 20, giving a total of 30. The minimum is 15. That is our answer. Notice that at any point, we only needed the values from the previous 2 steps to calculate the new one. This means we don't need to store the entire array. We can just keep 2 variables, drastically reducing the memory usage. The time complexity for this solution is O of n, because we iterate through the cost array once. The space complexity is O of 1, constant space, because we only store 2 variables regardless of the input size. To summarize, we solved this using dynamic programming by breaking it down into smaller subproblems. We used the recurrence relation to pick the minimum path at each step and optimized our solution to use constant space.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.